Hello and welcome to subpart 8.5 of the BMS Modding tutorial series. In this particular video I will show you how you can fix minor DOF animation issues with 3D models, and in this particular case 3D cockpits, using the model editor. So today's subject is to correct an incorrect indication of the horizontal situation indicator cause deviation in needle as reported in the BMS forums. So I've volunteered to fix that issue, have already done this for the AV8B Harrier 2, and I will now proceed with the FA18C Hornet. So the first thing that you need to do is to figure out what cockpit is being used, so in particular which cockpit model number we have to look at, and for this we go to the art ckpt art folder. In this case the FA18 should be in here, FA18C, and we can open not the 3D buttons, that's the 3D ckpit file, check out what models are being used. We have two here, the 1464 and the 1617. So in one of these models the HSI should be defined, and I will first take a look at the 1464. So we open the editor. The reason why I'm using EF2000 Retro in this case is that I have a slightly modified cockpit model anyway, so if there comes a change on top, I will of course perform it on the latest state and not in a previous state. Okay, so we have the models tab already opened, so we are now searching for the 1464 model, the wrong one because that's not the 14 but the 16. So we open it. That line looks right. So, and now we have the HSI course deviation needle, which is supposedly inverted. So the first thing that we need to do is to check out what is the DOF, the degree of freedom or animation number, so to speak, for the HSI course deviation needle. So you can, I hope I have opened it. Okay, we can go to the official Falcon BMS website, go to the wiki on the main page, and now you have tutorials, and here at the bottom you have the DOF switch list. The problem with that one is that it's not necessarily up to date. As you can see, last updated was in 2023. A lot has changed since then, so it's not the best bet as such. The better alternative is that you actually download the 3ds Max exporter. That can be done, as you have seen, from this site. As I've already downloaded, I won't download it here. I just wanted to show you where you can find it, and within it you have the switch XML and you also have the DOF XML. This should hopefully represent the currently latest state. So we open it, in this case with a text editor, and now we can check out the HSI number. It's already entered in the search. So what you can see here, 114 is the current heading, desired course 115, desired heading 116, HSI beacon course 117, and 118 is the HSI course deviation. So that's the number, the DOF number we need to look for within the 3D model viewer. So let's open it again. check out where that could be found. In this case, we have it here, not really well visible. So what we do now is we select the DOF here and then click on Edit Node. And here we can simply reverse the direction. That's it already. What should be noted, you can also change, for example, the animation type, changing the DOF number and also some other parameters. But for the time being, it should be sufficient. So you simply have reversed the direction and it should now correctly show up. So we only save the file and that's it already. So any time you have an animation that is inverted, be it in the cockpit or for an external 3D model, simply look for the DOF number that's applicable to the respective animation, and then you can simply change it this way using the model viewer. The model viewer has limited editing capabilities, but it has editing capabilities, so that's something that can be really quickly done. It's really just a minute's job to do, and everybody could, in theory, quite quickly fix such bugs. Okay, that's it already for this video. See you next time. Bye.